Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start with an active project and clips in the timeline. Make sure your primary storyline is visible. Once ready, open the titles and generators sidebar and pick the custom generator. This is the only built-in way to create an adjustment-like layer. Drag that custom generator to a new track and stretch it to cover the clips you want to affect. You're creating a neutral top layer that will receive effects. This preserves original clips and centralizes adjustments for easy global tweaks. With the generator selected, open the effects browser and choose the effect or plugin you need. Color corrections, LUT, blurs, or third-party filters all work here. Drag the effect directly onto the generator. This applies the effect to everything beneath because the generator sits above the clips. Then use the inspector to tweak parameters. Exposure, color wheels, amount sliders, make broad moves first, then refine. Once done, any change on this one generator updates the full stack below instantly. Finish by reviewing playback and rendering if needed. You want smooth play to judge adjustments. Make sure to use masks or blend modes on the generator when you only want selective areas affected, or convert the generator plus clips into a compound clip for easier grouping. If effects don't appear, verify the generator is above the clips, that it's not muted, and that no compound clip hierarchy is blocking it. One quick troubleshooting tip: switch to proxy and render to isolate performance versus effect issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.